Ever wondered what are the top must-visit destinations in South Africa in 2024? Welcome to the vibrant continent of Africa, and more specifically, its southern gem, South Africa. A country that dances to the rhythm of diversity, South Africa is a brilliant blend of cultures, each adding their unique flavor to the melting pot. From the Zulu and Xhosa tribes to influences of Dutch, British, and Indian settlers, the cultural tapestry here is rich and colorful. But culture is just one part of the story. South Africa is also a land of breathtaking landscapes. Imagine towering mountains giving way to sprawling plains, where the wild African beasts roam free. Picture pristine beaches that meet the mighty oceans and lush vineyards that stretch as far as the eye can see. And let's not forget the wildlife. South Africa is home to the famed Big Five and countless other magnificent creatures that make a safari here an unforgettable experience. Stay tuned as we count down the top 15 must-visit destinations in South Africa in 2024. Kicking off our countdown at number 15 is the lively city of Durban. Known for its golden beaches and warm waters, Durban is a paradise for surfers and beach lovers alike. The city's rich cultural heritage is reflected in its vibrant markets and diverse cuisine. Don't miss out on a visit to the Ushaka Marine World, a world-class aquarium that's a thrilling experience for all ages. Coming in at number 14 is the mesmerizing Drakensberg Range. Majestic peaks, lush valleys, and crystal-clear streams make this a hiker's dream. While here, you must explore the ancient sandrock paintings, a testament to the region's rich history. Landing at number 13 is the captivating city of Pretoria. Known for its purple jacaranda-lined streets, Pretoria is a blend of historical architecture and modern city life. The Voortrekker Monument and the Union Buildings are must-visit spots for history buffs. Moving on to the next set of destinations on our list. Continuing our countdown at number 12 is the vibrant city of Durban. Famed for its golden beaches and warm waters, Durban serves as an urban paradise for surfers and sunseekers alike. Here, the blend of Zulu, Indian, and European cultures creates a unique cityscape, rich in history and diversity. Moving on to number 11, we find ourselves enraptured by the lush wilderness of the Kruger National Park. This coastal reserve is a haven for nature lovers, offering a stunning array of flora and fauna. Whether you're hiking through the forest or kayaking in the Storms River, every moment here is a celebration of nature's grandeur. Finally, at number 10 is the iconic Soweto Township in Johannesburg. This historic area is a testament to South Africa's resilience and spirit. From the vibrant Vilakazi Street to the moving Hector Peterson Museum, Soweto offers a profound journey into the nation's past. Stay with us as we venture into the top 10 must-visit destinations in South Africa. Entering our top 10 at number 9 is the vibrant city of Johannesburg. Known as the City of Gold, Johannesburg is a bustling metropolis that's rich in history and culture. Don't miss the Apartheid Museum and the Maboneng Precinct, a vibrant hub for arts and entertainment. Coming in at number 8 is the Kalahari Transfrontier Park. This wildlife preserve straddles the border between South Africa and Botswana, offering a unique safari experience. Roam the red dunes and witness the majestic Kalahari lions in their natural habitat. At lucky number 7, we have the rustic charm of the Western Cape winelands. This picturesque region is not only a paradise for wine lovers, but also a haven for food enthusiasts and nature lovers. Take a leisurely stroll through the vineyards, savor exquisite wines, and indulge in gourmet cuisine. Onward to the next set of must-see locations on our list. Moving further up our list at number 6 is the Kruger National Park, a wildlife haven like no other. Spanning across 2 million hectares, it's home to the illustrious Big Five and a birdwatcher's paradise with over 500 species. Next, at number 5, we find the vibrant city of Durban. Known for its golden beaches and warm waters, Durban is a melting pot of cultures, offering a unique blend of urban and traditional experiences. The city's culinary scene is a testament to this fusion, with bunny chow being a must-try local dish. And finally, at number 4, is the awe-inspiring Drakensberg. Towering peaks, plunging valleys, and pristine rivers make this a nature lover's dream. Hiking trails abound, with views that will steal your breath away. Don't forget to explore the ancient sandrock art, adding a touch of history to the stunning landscape. As we approach the top of our list, the excitement builds. Getting closer to the top at number 3 is the mesmerizing Drakensberg. This mountain range is a paradise for nature lovers, offering breathtaking views and an array of outdoor activities. From the high peaks, you can gaze upon vast landscapes, and the hiking trails are a dream come true for adventurers. The Ukalamba Drakensberg Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the largest collection of ancient sandrock art in South Africa, adding a touch of history to your journey. Swooping in at number 2 is the vibrant city of Cape Town. This cosmopolitan hub is a blend of cultures, cuisines, and landscapes. The iconic Table Mountain provides a stunning backdrop to the city, and a trip up its cable car is a must for panoramic views. From exploring the colorful Bo Cap district to lounging at the stunning beaches, Cape Town offers a unique experience at every corner. Now prepare yourselves for the number 1 must-visit destination in South Africa for 2024. And the top spot on our list goes to Cape Town. This mesmerizing city is a fusion of cultures, cuisines, and landscapes. The magnificent Table Mountain forms a dramatic backdrop for a city that's teeming with life. From the vibrant Bo-Kaap neighborhood, with its colorful houses and cobblestone streets, to the bustling V&A waterfront, Cape Town offers a feast for the senses. Don't miss the chance to take a cable car ride up to the top of Table Mountain. The panoramic view from the summit is truly breathtaking. And of course, the no visit to Cape Town would be complete without a trip to the historic Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 18 years. Cape Town offers an array of unique experiences that make it a must-visit destination. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, there's something for everyone in this diverse and vibrant city. And there you have it, the top destination in South Africa for 2024. To recap, here's the rundown of the top 15 must-visit destinations in South Africa for 2024. Kicking off our list at number 15, we had the mesmerizing Ograbees Falls, a spectacle of nature's raw power. Coming in at 14, the iconic Table Mountain, a hiker's paradise offering panoramic views of Cape Town. At 13, the vibrant and historical Bo-Kaap neighborhood, a rainbow of culture and tradition. Number 12 took us to the wildlife wonderland that is the Kruger National Park, a must-visit for any nature enthusiast. At 11, we ventured into the heart of the stunning garden route, a picturesque journey unlike any other. Number 10 was the bustling city of Johannesburg, a metropolis brimming with history and culture. The 9th spot was taken by the breathtaking Blyde River Canyon, the world's 3rd largest canyon and a natural marvel. At 8, we had the tranquil and beautiful beaches of Durban, a perfect getaway for sunseekers. 7th was the enchanting Kango Caves, a subterranean marvel that captivates with its grand stalactites and stalagmites. Number 6 was the unique and fascinating Robben Island, a poignant reminder of South Africa's history. At the 5th spot, we had the scenic Winelands, a haven for wine lovers. At 4, the vibrant Victoria and Alfred waterfront, a hub of shopping, dining, and entertainment. The bronze medal at number 3 went to the wild and beautiful Cape of Good Hope, the most southwestern point of the African continent. The silver was taken by the spectacular Drakensberg Mountains, a hiker's dream with its majestic peaks and valleys. And finally, at number 1, the iconic and awe-inspiring safari at Sabi Sands, a true wildlife spectacle offering an unparalleled experience. Remember, the world is waiting for you to explore, and South Africa in 2024 is a good place to start. Until next